totality doctrine. Okay? Totality doctrine. Ito ba ba na after that, we now we have discussed also the topic of presumptions. Presumptions. There are we have discussed several, about 15 presumptions. Okay? Maybe resources to by the 14 determining the legislative effect or intention of the lawmaker. Okay? Marami ang presumptions niyo. I will throw that back. That you study very well those presumptions and if possible be able to explain fully those presumptions. For your reference, wala din sa gusto balikan natin yung presumption of validity. Okay? In every law, statute is presumed to be valid. Okay? But that is not a conclusive presumption. We also discussed the presumption of constitutionality. Every statute or every law is presumed to be constitutional. Okay? In our jurisdiction, the presumption of constitutionality. That presumption is always in favor of constitutionality, unless a law or statute is declared unconstitutional by the Supreme Court or by the courts. But it's not only the Supreme Court who may or we can declare a law to be unconstitutional. Even the regional trial courts may have their or original jurisdiction. So many presumptions, presumption to faith, presumption against injustice, presumption against inconsistency. Yeah? You will prepare your notes, able to explain fully any of those presumptions. In your own words, there is a tendency for those students to paraphrase. Pag sinatanong kayo, if you are asked to explain fully, okay, you do not paraphrase the definition. Explain fully the concept of the presumption of validity. In other words, you may use your own words, okay? You may even type it up words and explain fully. That's the thing here. Anyway, tulungan pa naman kayo ng how to understand. Meron dyan, pang-subject, para ang something niya. Pero, mas mabuti, first step pa lang kaya alam niya paano na takot na how to understand. But, there's a technique. Later on, I will teach you. divide by 38. Ang technique ito is you have to correlate what you have learned in your other subject with this subject. Because ang purpose nga nito, subject ng tutorial understand the law na pinag-aaralan nyo sa mga subject. In criminal law, for example, you are studying as a ground principles maraming concepts. Ang second step, you will now be adding actually the crime under the revised penal code, which is a law itself. The revised penal code. Marami ang crime na yan. Makatulong pa ba yan? Ngayon, concepts pala, it makes a law. Like the concept of anti-criminal
aggravating circumstance.
Pero law na mismo, may pinag-code. Maraming law yan. Those are terrorist lang. Kaya, you have to correlate what you have learned in your other subject dito para may practice. Okay? So, law. We have discussed law, the concept of law, and elements of the law. Ipadiniskas din sa civil law, yung classification of law. We also discussed that. Those classifications in this subject. Learn that maraming law. Classify natural law, administrative law, private law, iba yan. You will ask to explain. Ako wala naman nagtutusip ko kaya, pero yung other professor, you are in the best state. Malay ko ako lang. Pero, kung wala ng professor ako, subject na ito, concept na grammatical mistake. Next, ano ba natural law? Ano ba positive law? Okay? What? May sources of law. Okay? Paano yung relate yan? Okay? Discuss also statutes. Difference between law and statute. How are statutes identified as a crowd? Sabi yan. Code, PD, Commonwealth Act, Commonwealth Act, PD. Ngayon, public administration. Most especially, we also discuss the part of statute. Okay? Part of statute. Okay. Third, part of statute, part of the law. Ano? First part. Okay. Pag-umahan tayo sila ng lupa, ano yan? Like today, tinanong ko nga, why is the civil code called the civil code? Pero hindi yung title ang tingin niya. Pero title, but in practice, you have in relation to the particular subject, item of the law, you have to correlate it with the study of political law. Diba? Inuuna ko sa inyo. By this time, pag kayo dyan. Diba? Law. Can and law or can and bill. Hindi pa pala law. Can and bill break more than one subject. celebrate more than one subject? No, because under the Constitution, every bill passed by Congress celebrate only one subject that is expressed in the title. Therefore, at ito, nakalagay dyan, every bill passed by Congress. Tama ang title lang. That is to prevent what we call yung politika to, bad or lack rolling legislation. Hindi mo galay. Lack rolling legislation. Pangdi, maraming atin, maraming insert, bawal na. Kaya black rolling, you know what black is? Tapos, pababakahin. Dito kaya, nagtuturo ko sa mga boss, mga dirt, mga state, nagpagkabot sa mga isnabo, kasi nagdako, at bakit may mga that's what we call tax fund black rolling legislation. Also, the preamble, part of the law. The acting clause for the body of the law itself, okay, and the provision when at the date of the effect. So, ang lang yata tayo dyan. Hirin ka natin. Diba? Natanggal natin dyan. So yung pagpipilikamere rin mo yung exam. Now, after your exam, after the midterm examination, okay, expectedly marami tayong interruptions, okay, marami pa. Go back, okay? But I will concentrate more on specific rules as well as the last thing are interesting. Okay? Maraming last thing. Yung mga rules na on statutory policy. Ako siya siguro na mga tubig. Kasi tapos na kayo by October, diba?
Yes, sir.
And then, I will now, after your midterm exam, I will now be giving you cases to read.
Sorry, dati. Wala na
For every rule, meron is when you okay, you understand fully the rule, hindi nyo basta yung application niya. A particular specific thing. Okay. Yun ang topic niya. Yun ang concrete na. Aba, maraming topic niya. Okay. Also, reminder, kanina, we agree, diba? We agree that yung instruction, the on Friday, September 6. Boom! Pero doon yung block 8, block 8 niya, block 8, 5:30. So, kumayag si Anthony Castro, okay, na kunin natin muna yung oras niya, 5:30 to iba ang paraan kaya pero ano na lang yan? I-equip mo kayo. Hopefully, pagparang nyo, balik ka lang sa natin. Hindi maganda yung insecurity.
So, nasa atubangan na ka sa pinag-deliver?
Ano yung makapaganda yung insecure? Diba? Ano yung insecure mo? Single choice question. Hindi mo nga na, siya pa ka. Hindi mo nga sa plano mo. Diba? Pero yung additional time, in fact, there was a number before in the time question was introduced way back 2009, in 2009, 10, one something. The book that about we considered the father of this SCQ type. But the book, that really